Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Biomed, Mentoring with Care. Why to watch this video? Students usually by heart Animal Kingdom examples but forget them after some time. For example, since childhood we have been hearing Sanskrit shlokas and mantras even without knowing their meaning. We still remember them because we heard and repeated them daily without extra effort. Similarly, if you watch this 7 to 8 minute video daily, these examples will stay in your memory forever, and this is my guarantee. So let's begin learning the common and scientific name of Animal Kingdom examples in a way you will never forget. Phylum Porifera, Cycon, Scypha, Euspongia, bath sponge, Spongilla, freshwater sponge. Phylum Coelenterats, Physalia, Portuguese man of war, Mindrina brain coral, Gorgonia sea fan, Adamsia sea anemone, Penatula sea pain, sea feather, Aurelia jellyfish. Ctenophora, Pleurobrachia sea gooseberry, Ctenoplana comb jelly. Platyhelminthes, Tinea, tapeworm, Fasciola, liver fluke, Dugacia, planaria. Aschelminthes or Nemathelminthes, Ascaris roundworm, Uncyclostoma hookworm, Wuchereria filarial worm, Annelida neris sandworm, Ferretima earthworm, Hirudinaria leech, Arthropoda apis honeybee, Bombyx silkworm, Lacifer lac insect, Anopheles malaria mosquito, Culex filariasis mosquito, Aedes dengue chikungunya mosquito. Locusta gregarious pest, Limulus king crab, phylum Mollusca, Pila apple snail, Pinctada pearl oyster, Sepia cuttlefish, Loligo squid, Octopus devilfish, Aplysia sea hare, Dentalium tusk shell, Chetopleuron chiton. Phylum Echinodermata, Asterias starfish, Echinus sea urchin, Antedon sea lily, Cucumeria sea cucumber, Ophiura brittle star, Hemichordata, Saccoglossus, Balanoglossus. Before starting examples of chordata, we'll see the classification of phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is divisible into two groups, group Acraniata and group Craniata. Acraniata means without cranium, Craniata having cranium. Acraniata also called as protochordate or lower chordate, Craniata also called as euchordate or higher chordate. Acraniata is divisible into two subphylum, subphylum Urochordata, that is also called as Tunicata, and subphylum Cephalochordate. In Urochordata, in larval stage, in tail region, notochord is present. In Cephalochordata, throughout life, notochord is present from head to tail. Group Craniata is divisible into only one subphylum, that is Vertebrata. That means notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Subphylum Vertebrata is divisible into two divisions, Agnatha, that means no jaw, and division Gnathostomata means jaw is present in the mouth. Division Agnatha is divisible into two classes, Ostracodermi, members of Ostracodermi all are extinct, and Cyclostomata, cyclocircular, stoma mouth, so that Cyclostomata. Gnathostomata is divisible into two superclasses, Pisces having fins and Tetrapoda having limbs, two pair of limbs. Pisces divisible into three classes, Placodermi, members of Placodermi all are extinct. Chondrichthyes, ichthyes means fish, chondro word indicating cartilage. So cartilaginous fishes coming under chondrichthyes. Ostrichthyes, ostro means bone, ichthyes fishes. So bony fishes coming under ostrichthyes. Tetrapoda is divisible into four classes, amphibians having dual life, reptiles, creepers, aves, birds, and mammals having mammary glands. Now let's start with the examples of chordata. Urochordata or tunicata, Ascidia sea squid, Doliolum doliolid, Salpa sea grapes. Cephalochordata, Branchiostoma or Amphioxus or Lanceolate. Cyclostomata, Petromyzon lamprey, Myxine hagfish. Chondrichthyes, Scoliodon dogfish, Pristis sawfish, Carcharodon great white shark, Spirna hammer-headed shark, Torpedo electric ray, Trigon stingray. Osteichthyes, Hippocampus seahorse, Exocetus flying fish, Clarias catfish, Magur freshwater fish. Catala cutala is also freshwater fish. Gambusia larvivorous fish. Labio rohu Indian cob freshwater fish. Beta fighting fish, aquarium fish. Petrophyllum angelfish, aquarium fish. Amphibia buffo toad. Hyla tree frog, Rana frog. Salamandra salamander. Ichthyophis limbless amphibian. Reptilia Chiloni turtle, Testudo tortoise, chameleon tree lizard, Calotis garden lizard, Hemidactylus wall lizard, poisonous snake, Naja naja, Pangarus crate, Vipera viper, non-poisonous snake, Eryx sandboa snake, python, Pantherophis obsoletus rat snake, aves, Neophron vulture, Struthio ostrich, Psittacula parrot, Pavo peacock, Corvus crow, Aptenodyte penguin, Columbo pigeon, the class mammals, Ornithorhynchus platypus, Macropus kangaroo, Pteropus flying fox, Balanoptera blue whale, Camelus camel, Felis cat, Macaca monkey, Rattus rat, Canis dog, Elephas elephant, Ecus horse, Delphinus dolphin, Panthera tigris tiger, Panthera leo lion.
If you like my video, don't forget to share and subscribe.
Biomate, mentoring with care.